Hello guys, this video I'm going to show you how to automatically port all your video from your channel to any pages of your website. This is only one way porting, I mean from YouTube to your website, not from your website to your YouTube. You need this plugin. This plugin already sold almost 5,000 copy and then got a very good review. After you install it, okay, you need to go to the YouTube API key there and then paste your API key. And then in regards how to get the API key, this plugin already have a documentation. I will put the link into the video description. You guys just go to have a look. The process is very straightforward. And then after you put your API key, you need to create something. Okay, let me do it live for you to have a look. This one, let's say, is my YouTube. Okay, I just name it, and then here the YouTube channel URL, you have to copy yours URL there. And then for your info, actually you can also port other people YouTube account here. It's up to you. So the layout, the header, here you see I can have a live preview here. I can choose minimum. You see this one is a minimum, and then exit or classic. Classic will load the YouTube channel art as well. So for my case, I think I choose the accent. So you also have the ability to turn on the logo, turn off the logo. Is up to you. So the channel description, you see this one, I turn on the channel description. You also can turn on the video counter and then the view counter. So you also can put a custom channel name. Let's say this one, I put it at AAA I love you. You see AAA I love you. So this will replace your default channel name for you. So you also can put your own description there and then upload your own logo. The function is that it is quite very powerful plugin from my humble opinion. And then okay, you click the arrow back. Here you already choose the header. The column right now is 3 columns. If you want to make it 5, okay, you can make it 5. YouTube by default is 6. So I think if I want to follow YouTube, I just make it 6. So how many rows you want to show? Let's say I want to show 5 rows. You see here 5 rows, and then people go to the second page, and then you also can choose the mobile optimization setting from here. So let's go back again. The video, okay, the video, the play icon. Let me play something for you to have a look. Let's say this one. Okay, so the video element you can choose this here as well. Let's say if I don't want the description, I turn off the description. You see here the preview don't have description anymore. Or I want to turn off the date. I think turn off the date is better. And then the video duration here you see 6 minutes. If I want to turn on turn off the video duration also can. The play button I recommend just leave it there. And then the view I recommend turn it off if you don't really like it. And then here all the statistic, I mean you can turn it off so that it looks better. So the date I leave it there, title I leave it there. Okay, so let's go back to, if you want to also create some pop-up, you can this one is for the video pop-up, sorry. Okay, so right now I preview it again for you to have a look. The video pop-up, if I want to turn off the channel logo, channel name, view, here I turn off everything. Share I leave it there. The date, description I leave it there. So the comment I turn off everything. So let's have a look. You see here only have the share button. You see just now all the like counter, view counter already gone. I only leave the title. I only leave the title and the description and the share button here, so you can play around with all those functions. So this one is for the pop-up, and then for the slider, I think the setting is pretty straightforward. So the color, you can also choose custom color for your header background, header channel description, and then also the pop-up as well. This one I recommend use the color to match your theme. If you already set one core color for your theme, you can just paste the code there, and then you can also choose the color for the menu. It's quite nice. And then the advanced you can also choose other language as well. So let's preview if I choose Chinese. Okay, you see Chinese, you see all these already Chinese, yeah, here. But this text, because my video title is English, so will not translate for you. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's save it. Okay, so after you save it, save and exit, sorry. Okay, after you save it, you will get a shortcode. So let's insert into a page. Okay, let's say this one, video. Right now I'm using Visual Composer to style. You see, this one is the back end editor. For your info, actually we also have a front end editor. Let's click this one for you to have a look. Visual Composer, they have two modes. You see, this one is the front end editor, this one is the back end editor. So for this one, let's say I want to add a text block, because I want to insert that shortcode here right now. You see, so immediately I can preview it live. Okay, let's update it, and then I let you to have a look for the whole page. You see, everything already here right now. Everything already here. If you guys like this kind of tutorial video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any tutorial in future. So this one, for your info, actually we also can preview the device view using the function here, the front end editor. Let's say this one is the PC view. Right now I want to preview the tabular landscape mode, or I want to preview the tabular portrait mode, or I want to preview the smartphone landscape mode, or the smartphone portrait mode. So Visual Composer is quite user friendly, to be honest. Okay, thank you guys.